Welcome everybody to the PlumGrid Ignition Sandbox. This video will give you a quick overview in how to log into OpenStack UI and the PlumGrid UI, as well as how to create a network, then connect the network to a router. Please refer to the email that you've received after you signed up for the Project Ignition Sandbox. It will contain all the relevant IP addresses as well as login credentials that you will need to complete all the exercises in the test plan. Now let's get started. Let's get started by logging into the OpenStack UI by launching your Chrome browser, entering the IP address provided 10.0.3.20. We will log in as a user admin to get an idea of what resources we have. So the username will be admin and the password will be change me. Once we log in, we get an overview of the resources we have available in this OpenStack deployment. Next, we will log into the PlumGrid console by again launching the Chrome browser. This time the IP address is https://10.0.3.253/login.html. Remember to add HTTPS. You'll be prompted with a warning, which you can click the advanced and just say proceed. Now log in with the user PlumGrid and the password PlumGrid. After you log in, you can click on the zone view to get an idea of the PlumGrid zone components. Next, we will create a network by again going back to OpenStack. We will log in as the test user 1 that was created in a previous exercise. We will change the navigation to the network. Select Networks. Next, we click on the Create Network button. We enter the network name, user1-web. Click Next. Now enter a network address of 192.168.50.0/24. Click Next and leave the default. Click Create. And we can now see that we have a user 1 web network created. Now let's switch to the PlumGrid UI to have a look on how PlumGrid created this network on the PlumGrid platform. Change your navigation to the virtual domain view and select under MyLab-Test1 the neutron-based running topology. We can see that it created the network called user1-web. We can also look at the DHCP scope properties to see the same IP information we entered from OpenStack. Next, we will add a router to connect the networks we have created so far. We have now 3 networks, user 1, app, DB, and web. Click on the routers link and next on the Create Router button. Add the name of the router, which is user1-router-1. Click Create Router. Now we will add all the interfaces to the router by selecting the router that we just created and click on the Add Interface button. From the drop-down list, we will add one interface at a time. Click User 1 App and then the Add Interface button. That will connect that network to the router now. Let's repeat this for the other 2 networks, Web and DB. Next one is Web. We'll repeat it one more time for the user 1 DB network. Click Add Interface. That completes the network creation from OpenStack. Now let's switch to the PlumGrid UI and see how PlumGrid platform created the network. We can see the router user1 router 1 that is connected user 1 DB, user 1 app and user 1 web to the router via its router interfaces. Now go ahead and enjoy your Ignition Sandbox following the exercises in the guide. Thanks for joining.